Currently, global manufacturing is at a critical stage of digital and green transformation. 3D printing has entered the industrial new era of the 2.0 age. Especially binder jetting technology is reshaping the efficiency, cost, and structural boundaries of industrial production. 3D printing technology, Inc. masters both laser powder bed fusion and binder jetting technologies. With binder jetting achieving a generational breakthrough, it focuses on industrial-grade 3D printing equipment and rapid manufacturing services. The company is a national high-tech enterprise, a little giant enterprise specializing in niche sectors. It is also a pioneer in domestic industrial-grade 3D printing. Its subsidiary, Longyuan AFS, developed China's first commercial industrial-grade 3D printer as early as 1994. After more than 30 years of deep cultivation, 3DPTEK has received investments from well-known institutions such as CICC Capital, CASC, Chengwei Capital, Jingkijin Shenshuing, Beijing New Material Fund, and Cinemark Fund. Leveraging the Guoqian Technology Research Institute, postdoctoral workstation, and its R&D team, the company has built a Trinity collaborative innovation system. It has participated in the formulation of many national and industry standards, leading or participating in 6 national key R&D projects, nearly 300 authorized patents and copyrights, including 57 invention patents, and has passed multiple authoritative domestic and international certifications. Now, 3DPTEK has built a closed-loop full industry chain of equipment, materials, processes, services, finished products. It has deployed a 120,000 square meter 3D smart manufacturing center, located in Beijing, Fancheng, Anhui, Xianyang, Shanxi, Pingdingshan, Henan, Yulin, Guangxi, Taizhou, Jiangsu, Anyang, Nanan, Suzhou, Jiangsu, Rizhao, Shandong, Tongling, Anhui, and other regions. Its business covers more than 30 countries and regions worldwide. From millimeter-scale precision parts to meter-scale industrial large parts. From in-house equipment development to digital production line manufacturing. Comprehensively meeting the high-end manufacturing needs of aerospace, power energy, marine pumps and valves, automotive, rail transit, industrial machinery, and other fields. Creating an efficient, stable, and implementable industrial intelligent manufacturing service system. 3DPTEK has taken the lead in achieving a generational leap in 3D printing technology. With binder jetting 2.0 core technology, ushering in a new era of large-scale industrial commercial application. The line scan binder jetting process offers manufacturing efficiency over 100 times higher than point scan laser forming. Cold forming, support-free, material utilization rate exceeding 95%. Maximum build size can reach over 4 meters. Adaptable to various industrial large part manufacturing needs. Achieving high efficiency, low cost, and scalable mass production. Effectively solving the problems of difficult implementation, high cost, and low production capacity in industrial 3D printing. The company has independently developed 3DP inkjet sand printing, BJ binder jetting metal ceramic printing, SLS selective laser sintering sand wax printing, SLM selective laser melting, and other series of smart equipment and material processes. It has deeply developed nearly 30 types of material process formulas suitable for aluminum casting, copper casting, iron casting, magnesium casting, steel casting, etc. As well as for stainless steel, mold steel, titanium alloy, silicon carbide, copper diamond, etc. Adapted process formulas for BJ-formed powder materials. With core technology as the engine, 3DPTEK deeply roots itself in the real economy. Empowering traditional industry upgrades and breakthroughs in emerging tracks, creating multi-scenario solutions. Empower casting industry green transformation. China's 100 billion level casting market urgently needs upgrading. Traditional processes have high energy consumption, high pollution, long cycles, and structural limitations. 3DPTE through acquisitions and self-built casting bases, opens up the entire 3D printing plus casting process. With green mold-free casting solutions, it shortens the R&D cycle by over 30%, reduces trial production costs by more than 50%, helping traditional casting get rid of environmental and efficiency dilemmas, achieving digital, green, and high-end upgrades. At the same time, in response to the National Computing Power Synergy Strategy, it provides high-voltage electrical castings for AI computing centers, supporting the integration of power plus computing power with green casting, leading the AI cooling track, conquering industry challenges. As AI computing power iterates rapidly, chip heat flux density surges, traditional cooling solutions are approaching physical limits. 3DPTEK's self-developed copper diamond composite thermal management products, with proprietary low-temperature sintering technology, overcome the industry barriers of diamond's difficult processing and easy graphitization. Thermal conductivity far exceeds that of pure copper. Thermal resistance reduced by over 50%. Can integrally form complex microchannels, with heat dissipation utilization exceeding 90%. Through copper diamond gradient printing, the peak temperature on the chip surface drops by more than 30%, achieving instantaneous heat dissipation for high-power chips. Meeting the high-end cooling needs of ultra-high power lasers, AI servers, 6G base stations, new energy vehicles, and aerospace. 3DPTEK, always with technological innovation as its core, and industrial empowerment as its mission, drives the transformation and upgrading of manufacturing towards green, intelligent, and high-end directions.